It's you, Mama. Mama.
Is this for me? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sophia. This is for Cinderella?
Cinderella.
Okay, this is for you, Cinderella. This is your tea. Where's Daddy's tea? Give Daddy one. Wait, you can put it here. He'll come get it. Put it right here. With his cup. And where's yours? This is yours. There you go.
The cup.
Okay. Pour the coffee.
Oh. Oh.
Thank you. No. Okay, is that Daddy? Okay, Daddy. Here's your cup. He's coming. He's coming.
Thank you, Sophia.
It's Daddy's. Here, Daddy. This is your plate. And this is your spoon. Your turn, Sophia. You drink your coffee. It's right there, Mama.
Oh, Biggie.
You don't need a binky. You're drinking coffee.
Okay. On top.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.